दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो हॉस्पिटलाच्या सभाघरात जाल्लो इंडियन सोसायटी फॉर स्टडी ऑफ पेनाचो एक अध्याय GSSPचो स्थापन सुवाळो जालो। इंडियन सोसायटी फॉर स्टडी ऑफ पेनाच्या प्रकरणात आता वेदना क्लिनिकांतल्यान वेदना व्यवस्थापन मल्टी मॉडल सोल्युशनान सामान्य मनशाक चड सुलभ करपाचे यत्न सुरू आसात। पळयात।
1 out of 3 people will have some or the other pain. I can see 4 or 5 of my own patients here. Okay, so it's that common. So almost everybody in our lifetime suffer from pain, at least once in our lifetime. Now how we go to cover whole of Goa, of course it needs private plus public sector partnership. It can't be done only at government level or only at private level. So that's why we, although being from private side, we want the government hospitals should also have pain clinics.
And we were doing all the treatment in some hospitals nearby. So when I used to come, we used to have 50 to 60 patients every Saturday and 20-30 patients every Sunday. So 20 years back also the load of patients was such that people are coming from all the way from Goa, from Hubli and from nearby states, because we were giving some information in the newspaper. So people used to see and come. Gives new or newer options, advanced options. Without any surgery, we can treat the patients. So that is why pain management is required for well-being of the
public. Awareness remains a major part. Many people don't know that this branch is out there, and it is from patient to patient that the people are coming to know. So a lot of public awareness programs, camps should be held along with social media, which is really helping to spread knowledge regarding pain medicine. Establishment of pain clinics at medical colleges is must. This is what we are looking forward and trying our best to do, and not only in medical college but also in other academic institutions also. To recognize pain medicine as a super specialty at NMC level, to have all the MIPSs, that is all our interventions what are performed by pain medicine, to be under cover of insurance and policies, and also to have a uniform fellowship program like 1-year fellowships which our Indian Academy for Pain of Medicine is running successfully, and every year more than 20 to 25 young pain doctors are coming and getting trained in that.
पर दर्द किसी को जीने भी नहीं देता है. So to treat and to relieve the patients from its pain is, I think, the most important service that can be offered to the mankind. Now this brings me to a very important paper. You must all be knowing there is a very high impact factor journal which goes by the name Pain. So in that journal, just last year in 2023, there was a big study which was done actually by non-medicos. The study was done by Institute of Population Studies in Mumbai, and they interviewed 66,000 people, and their outcome was that the incidence of pain was as high as 35% above 45 years of age. That means practically 1 in 3 person is suffering from chronic pain beyond 45 years of age. So this is an extremely high incidence, and it necessitates that there is a high time that we establish a specialty and recognize it, which is called as a pain medicine.
We all know that pain is the 5th vital sign, they say, and pain can be as chronic as maybe for months, years, or for the lifetime. It can affect the performance of a person, his academic achievements, his income, and maybe that he may be mentally disturbed, he may go into depression, he may go into anxiety. And therefore, this chapter of Goa Society for Pain, Study of Pain, is very, very essential. And we at South Goa District Hospital already have started pain clinic with the help of Dr. Kunal, Dr. Nevgi, Dr. Kothari. We have it every Friday, and as of today, starting from August 2023, we have successfully managed about 340 cases of pain management.
And I am sure that we will take it forward in this hospital. Dr. Nevgi, we promise you whatever support you need from our side, and I wish you all the best.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आनी सानिका नागवेकर.